one day, that is Saturday, about 5, and I walked farafara kumadukuru nyinoke newe hede yotone na bagi tisira kuotha ici ne bagi ya shuhaga na hathutha na atengerero karugage kodana kabagi karugaruga gutita ciru cia ne kuaga backpack ngiona handu hena githomo na kiari atukanu andu na korinu ngecira nyingire tondendete ungai kuma ndi mwana mari andu ta 20 kindu na maikaire nja rira ndakinyire muthuri umwe wari mukuru muno wena tumeka iti oguo nari na kiremba na nderu nyingi biu ajiria kurira na kirira muno akishoka kiuga guciria ikamwana gaka niwe wahunjagia ningirigo nikikiramuriria akinjira atiriri kamwana gaka udura wa makirie ajitire ritwa itarendetwo ni mundu ungi tiga mami na rere nickname ya kunania. Only my mother knew that name and I cannot even tell anybody now. It may be used against me. No, you ask my lawyer. My lawyer is here. Steve, you'll be acting for me. You'll be acting for me, yeah? Mudo sejita no make muno. Karito wana nagino mamuanyu gatoyo mudo gwetete ogwo. In a name the abari. Geteka akejera tereri. Dona we marori maige muno marumaniriire weru-ini magethe mai no mona mai githima-ini giaku githima kiu kuma giaku na marori mau mothe matahirira agithina mbere kurira na ni athiurukaga muno oguo anyiteta gucira ni raini oyaga akioya raini tu egegiuka akejera ni ndirakuona wena mukwanju ukireithia ukuite tori na wina mburi nyingi muno urarithia akithina mbere kurira riu na ndeka hiu ndorete ngaru niki akijira tena ngakoro na mburi na mukwanju akirira muno ngithi harewe akijira tiriri ori ndamukwa kuriria tone arajita na ni arira kama ithori makanyururuka akijira ni ndona ruho ruria rwitego ngoma ciaka kijurie ni ngoma ciaka ngimra ni njui tondu gwitu kaimbaga hindu gutiare mite mingi inyuothe ni mwika ruho kau na nikahituka nginya nyumba nginya roof. Mnaelewa mnaelewa hiyo akijira ndona karuho kahana ngoma ciaka kafiriri kana hinya muno na rukungu na nigakurigiceria gakuviurie na karuho kauri nigagakugia thutha wa miaka 7 kuma riu no kigaga toria ri maundu maria ngukwirite mbere ma maguta na kurithia ni makahinga kangigagutoria matikahinga ngekira ngimuria miaka 7 igathira ri de 35 akijira miaka 7 ri muthenya omwe he Ngai ni miaka 2,000 na miaka 2,000 he Ngai ni muthenya omwe koguo ndio eniri uhoro cio kahinga na agitigana nani akenja kuhudumira mundu ungi ngiinuka na ningiriraga ndiarire mami uhoro cio no muthenya omwe ndinjira-ini ndumitwo ngarithie ngiona ndu wa makirie muno ndi muhoro waguo hindi ingi no ndainuka ndera mami uhoro ucio niro ndamucokereire uria nderitwo ni mundu niho ahererega rwa kunjira atananjiarawe na ndaro wa kanitha he mutumia matuganirio nake wari wa gwitu akimura thiini wa nda yaku kwina kihi na nigigathamaka na rira ndaciarirwo mutumia ucio kio akira mukuru uguo. So I am telling you this because these are my final days. Shiawira, I am doing my stretch. It's a home stretch. I'm doing my home stretch, and that's why I'm preaching harder and harder than I was before. I'm telling you where I came from. This was the prophecy. Mami nioyo guawe no dajirite na deriro ni muthuri miaka 7 riu andu ituri nie dioi kana ni mekinyu kana ni ndamihitukire kana ndimihitukite na yagwetirwo ni ruhuho hana ngoma ciaka ni tiruhuho stoppable ni ruru turagwithagia nyumba Africa na nako South Africa, America, California. I don't know. I ask you please. Aremo iheo cia unabii guku wamenya ujire na ndire ndondo ngikumenya. It's only did I pass the 7 years or I'm in them or they are still coming. Todo dilo do itonete up to this point. Ate mami. Monica kufanya alajira dero huhaini. Thank you. Thank you for what you feel and what you hear. I know some of you hears God and hears the voice. Maybe I am in it now. Or I passed it. Or I got there. Or it's ahead of me. But that man is long away dead. That was about 1984. That's many years ago. It's about that time. And I remember, I keep remember. About 20 years, even in American I've never spoken about it. I've never written it. I've never spoken it even on the radio. I don't know. But I have seen a lot. I've gone through a lot. But God have kept me glorious. God have kept me smart. I'm still walking. I've been in hospitals. I've undergone surgeries. I have seen people leaving me. People betraying me. People disappointing me. But I have seen God sending people to me. Near the Adorama Koromaria, then your mother, Rosuaka Koromutogu Mono. Dracono Modradira, Bishop Mwangi. Ana gari la tokana kijulia kana ndokana hidere to ikikira office to kama ndo mara tuwekaga giumanyu magario ndakorire gari ngevie itia white ipa keto bere na kahikura murango geikira gethi kwikira kirehe bishop sa ni moyo raragia bishop acha tio ndogothi na kahinde kau igire no inuke ngemuria indo cia kwa cihewa kija hindire kindu ciothe ni irutirwo si gari neyo eo ne ukomikora muci. And let me tell you, I went home with a V8. I stayed with it at the time I wanted. The following day, the Masho carrier, and there's Gario Washokiano because I got another one. So, give you the point of giving up. And I want to believe together with you, and you believe together with me, that I will finish stronger. I'll finish without any scandal. I'll finish powerfully. I'll make it as the prophecy was saying. Maine manue to idimaine mono maike mai maike pio dikana kinya muthuri to urona hawe na nderu ikuhiriria cia kwa Saeli ona ni nyititanetio hiki unjue mimi ni mzee imagine leo urana leo nderu ni muthiru leo na nini ndiro kata de muthira le muthiru turacenjania sasa Saeli you are Zai ate umeona sasa hiyo kazi tumefanya mengi. Husband yako wapi? Husband na Dan wale vijana